Can I convince lenders I'm worthy of a loan by clearly explaining my purpose in just 5 minutes? When applying for a loan, have you ever wondered what lenders really want to know? It's not just about your credit score or income, they also want to understand the purpose behind your loan. Knowing this can make or break your chances of approval. Understanding what lenders are looking for can help you tailor your application and increase your chances of getting that loan. Many people think lenders only care about whether you can repay the loan or not. That's partially true, but it's not the whole story. What's often overlooked is the challenge of clearly articulating your loan's purpose. It's easy to get caught up in providing all the necessary financial documents, but if you can't effectively communicate why you need the loan, you might be hurting your chances. This is a common misconception that can lead to unnecessary complications in the loan process. Simply stating that you need the loan for a specific reason isn't enough. Lenders want to understand the context and justification behind your request. So, what exactly do lenders want to know about your loan purpose? Well, it's not just a simple yes or no question. They want to understand the what, why, and how of your intended use. For example, if you're applying for a mortgage, they want to know what you're planning to use the property for. Is it a primary residence, a rental property, or a vacation home? If you're applying for a business loan, they want to know how you plan to use the funds. Are you looking to expand operations, purchase equipment, or cover operational costs? The why is also crucial. What drove you to seek financing at this particular time? Being able to clearly explain these details shows that you've thoughtfully considered your financial needs. The secret sauce to a successful loan application is a well-defined and justifiable loan purpose. When you can clearly articulate why you need the loan and how you plan to use the funds, it demonstrates responsibility and reduces perceived risk for the lender. This makes your application significantly stronger. Lenders want to feel confident that their money is being used wisely and that you're not taking on unnecessary debt. A clear loan purpose helps build that confidence. In the end, clearly articulating your loan purpose is just as important as your financial standing. It's often the deciding factor in your loan approval. So, take the time to think through your reasons and be prepared to explain them. Your future self, and your wallet, will thank you. If you've had any experiences with loan applications, good or bad, share them with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear about them. And if you want more tips on navigating the lending landscape, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.